Hello, I'm Schmidt Hasson, founder of the Chalk and Chances Project. I've talked to hundreds of people about the teachers they remember, trying to understand how teachers make a lasting impact on their students' lives. And I've taken all of that data, all of those stories, and compiled a list of 100 reasons why teachers matter. This video is about reason number 8. Teachers matter because they understand the importance of friendship. Lindsay shared a story with me that's such a great example. Lindsay said when she was in 4th grade, her family moved from Virginia to Florida. She was very nervous about starting at a new school. When she walked into Miss Donaldson's class, the first thing her teacher did was introduce her to Monica. Monica was to be her guide during those first days at her new school. Lindsay remembers Monica showing her where the supplies were, helping her find her seat, helping her navigate the campus, and in the lunchroom, helping her get through the line. She said Monica even reviewed some of the lunch options. She pointed out the older kids that Lindsay should avoid. And on the playground, Monica showed Lindsay where to find the jump ropes and how to get into the kickball game. Lindsay remembers feeling so much more comfortable and at ease because Miss Donaldson connected her with another kid in class. And Lindsay said she and Monica are still friends 30 years later. Teachers never underestimate the impact you have when you make a new student feel safe and comfortable and welcome. And never underestimate the importance of connecting kids and facilitating friendships in your classroom. Some of those friendships may last a lifetime. Now, I know it's a tough time to teach. I know there's so much on your plate, but I hope this sweet story of Lindsay and Monica inspires you to stay longer and be stronger for your own students. For even more stories of inspiration, check out chalkandchances.com and subscribe to this YouTube channel.